You've read the same sentence 5 times. Your phone hasn't even buzzed, but you already know what's waiting in every app. If that sounds like you, give me 3 minutes. Tip 5 fixed my focus more than anything else on this list. 2 years ago, I sat down to write for what should have been a 20-minute task. 3 hours later, I had 4 sentences and a perfectly reorganized desktop. I blamed my phone. I blamed my job. I even blamed my coffee. Turns out I was solving the wrong problem the whole time. Focus isn't something you force, it's something you build, piece by piece. Here are the 5 pieces that actually worked. 1. Kill the trigger, not the willpower. Willpower runs out. Environment doesn't. Before a focus session, physically remove the trigger phone in another room, notifications off. Research suggests just having your phone visible can quietly drain your attention, even if it never buzzes. You're not weak. You're fighting a battle you can win before it starts. 2. Build a focus ritual. Your brain loves cues. Pick one small ritual, the same song, the same drink, the same seat, and only do it when you're about to focus. Repeat it enough, and that ritual becomes a switch. It tells your brain, this is focus time, nothing else. 3. Work in sprints, not marathons. Deep focus for hours isn't realistic, but 25 focused minutes is. Set a timer, one task, no switching. When it rings, take a real 5-minute break. Then go again. Short bursts. Beat long slogs almost every time. 4. Single task, always. Multitasking is a myth. You're not doing 2 things at once. You're switching rapidly between them, and each switch costs you. Batch similar tasks together. One tab. One task. One thing at a time. 5. Clear the residue before you start. Here's the one that changed everything. Every time you switch tasks, part of your brain stays stuck on the last one. Researchers call it attention residue. So before any focus session, close every open loop answer, that one urgent message, jot down the thought nagging at you. Give your brain nothing to drag behind it. So remove the trigger, build a ritual, sprint, don't marathon, single task, and clear your residue before you begin. If this helped, hit subscribe. One focus upgrade every week. Tell me in the comments, which of these 5 are you trying first?